Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to use a bank account instead of Venmo balance in 2025. If you're tired of managing that Venmo balance or dealing with transfer delays, this guide is for you. By 2025, Venmo has rolled out even smoother integrations with bank accounts, making it easier to handle your money directly. Let's dive in. First off, why switch? Using your bank account means faster access to your funds, fewer fees, and better security. No more worrying about that Venmo wallet sitting idle. To get started, open the Venmo app on your phone. Make sure it's updated to the latest 2025 version. Head to the Settings menu, usually found in the Profile section, and look for Linked Accounts or Bank Settings. Next, select the option to add a bank account. You'll need to enter your bank's details, like your account number and routing number. Venmo uses secure, encrypted connections now, so rest easy. Once linked, verify the account. Most banks do this instantly in 2025 via a small test deposit or a quick code sent to your phone. Easy peasy. Now, for the fun part, making payments. Instead of using your Venmo balance, go to the payment screen when sending money. You'll see an option to use bank account directly. Select it, confirm the amount, and voila, funds are pulled straight from your bank. This works for receiving money too. It can automatically deposit into your linked account. Pro tip: check for any instant transfer fees, as some banks offer free options in 2025. One more thing: always monitor your transactions for security. Enable notifications in both Venmo and your bank's app to stay on top of things. This method not only simplifies your finances but also helps you avoid the hassle of manual transfers. Wrapping this up, switching to your bank account with Venmo is a game changer for 2025. You'll save time, reduce risks, and keep better track of your money. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.